Alex's Creative Corner here, and this is part one, or this is not part. This is day one of the making of Firnen from Aragon out of Rainbow Loom. I'm using the tutorial and design from Cortney Nicole, so all credit goes to her. But I am making this, and I'm filming on the ground right now because I don't have a desk yet. I'm gonna get a desk. I usually film on like the countertop, like my Rainbow Loom videos, but I don't want to do that. It's really uncomfortable for me. So over here we have 5 bags of the Persian green apple, and then we have 10 bags of the Persian peridot, and we have 1 bag of the neon green, and we have 1 bag of the lime green, and then there's like some more. But these are like all the main colors, and this was like that costed a lot. I'm sorry, Mom. So yeah, let's get started. I just finished the part 1 up there, just watching Cortney. So here's the top half of the wing. That's not the full wing. Here, let me get it compared to blue. So here it is. It's bigger than blue. The silk wing of my tutorial that you should go watch, my most recent tutorial. So there's a big size difference there. Look, this just goes right over. Whoa. Just look at those next to each other. Wow. So that took me, it took me like around an hour for just that part. So yeah, let's go to part 2 up there. Yeah, so I got my 2 looms, and then I got blue, which I'm gonna throw over there. I missed, but okay. Yeah, I'm doing this on the ground. That's why there's like some dog hairs in the wing, because I don't have my desk yet. So yeah, I have a dog. So yeah, let's keep going. I'm still on part 2, and this is what the wing looks like so far, and I failed so bad right here. Look at that. Compared to the others, these look perfectly fine. They look really good. And then this one, there's like a hole and stitches, and I'm just like, oh no. So yeah, it's pretty big. Let me compare this to blue now. Sorry guys. So yeah, so here it is compared to blue. His wings out. Okay, yeah, it's definitely way longer than him. And that's just the wing. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep going. Oh my god, so gladly I just finished the whole entire first wing. That was huge. This has like so many loose veins. It has like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's like 23 or 20, I think it has like 23 loose bands. Wow, and then I just made the wing veins. And this is so long because it's like going down from leg to leg. And so now I have to make another one. So this is it compared to Starflight's wing. Starflight is designed by Cortney Nicole, so credit to her. So look, oh my god, it's so much bigger. I thought Starflight was big, but yeah. Oh, I got him right in the right box. Okay, yeah. Before I make the other wing, I'm gonna make the head before I make the other wing, because I'm bored of making wings. So yeah, let's go. So I just finished the head, and so here's the head. It's so here it is. It has like these long antennae. I can only do this one hand because I'm filming with the other. But so, oh, the antennae are like 20 double loop bands, and then the tip is like 3 bands at a time, and then so So here, and then it has really cool like eyes that are very detailed, and it has like a lot of spikes everywhere on each side, and then it has a lot of teeth, and then it has like a ridge under lower jaw. And it also has like this thing where the nostrils are. I don't really know what it is. And then the tongue goes all the way back, and it is so big, the tongue. You can even see it from right here. So, yeah. Now I'm probably gonna make the other wing. So, and then the legs, and then whatever comes next. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the leg. I just need to do time hand. Let me see if I can tie off with one hand. Don't know if I can. Okay. I'm gonna try. Okay. Let's see. I did it. I tied off with one hand. Okay, yay. Now I can take off the leg from the leg. Okay. It's coming up here. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. Finished all my legs. So this is the leg I got. I can put it over here. So here's the layout. They're all of our legs. Okay. This is basically Firnen. Okay, here he is. Just pretty much laid out. Now I just have the body. Yay. Okay, I haven't filmed this in a long time, but so I haven't been filming my progress lately, so yeah, in a long time. So I've finished both wings. So here's the first one I did. There's the second. Then I did I wired the antennae, okay? They're wired. And then there's the head, and I added on the neck with like a lot of spikes. So yeah, that's really cool. And then, so yeah, there. And then I did both of his front legs, really cool. They've got spikes there. And then I made one back leg so far. And I'm halfway done with the other one. So I still have to make like the thigh for this one. So yeah, I'm just working on that. I got the muscle for it. Yeah. I'll be back when I finish the leg. Okay, so right now, I'm like doing the body. So I did one half like of the top of it. So it just has like the wing on it. And then the front leg. And then this one, attach the front leg and the wing right now. So I'm just finishing it up. Okay. I'll see you in the next somewhere. Okay, so I just took the body off of the loom. We were doing it on here. I forgot to take a video of it, but so basically, you're getting the loose ends from both sides of the body, and you're putting them onto here, and there's just one line, and now it's like attached. So yeah, here's like the body pretty much. It still has no tail yet, and then we also put on some spikes. The way that she did it, like she never does that on her dragons, but Cortney and Nicole, but basically it's supposed to be like, she said like a ridge effect, and it's supposed to go like up or something, look a lot like a dragon. So yeah. Oh, these are so yeah, I still have to do the tail. The tail's supposed to be like really long. So yeah. And this is gonna be a long time, so bye. Okay, so right now I'm just working on the tail. So here's like the tail that I have so far, and now I'm working right there. Still some more to go. And then here is the dragon, Firnen. He's really big and heavy, so it's hard to kind of work here because he's like dragging it and the loom keeps moving. So yeah, very messy workspace. These wings are huge. And he's got like this ridge effect. I can really see it now. And then now the spikes are getting smaller every other peg. I have to make more. Okay guys, so I just finished the whole, to the tail. So it has this like cool tail tip with like longer spikes. I like it. So yeah, it has spikes all the way down. I measured it and it's around like 30 inches. It's either 29, 30, or 31, or 32, something like that. So yeah, we've got arms and legs and the whole long tail. So yeah, that's very long. So that's like 2.5 feet around. So now all I have to do is make the stomach and like underside and then wire it. So yeah, these are huge wings. This guy's gonna be big. The biggest one that I have so far, the biggest thing that I've ever made is this turtle. It's mostly my own design, but I used some of Cortney and Nicole's videos to help me because I was struggling a little bit. But turtle from Wings of Fire book. And yeah, I really like Wings of Fire. So yeah. And it has the fin on the back. I did it really bad. But yeah, look at him compared to Firnen. Firnen is way bigger. It's like a fourth. Wow, that makes turtle look very small. Yeah. Okay. Well, I have like started doing the stomach. It is like really it's like really fat. So here's his head, and then stomach haven't attached because I still haven't finished or wired it. So yeah, it's supposed to have like a rib cage effect, as she said. So yeah, it goes up. And it's like really thick. Look at that belly. And now I still have to do the rest of like the underside of the tail. And I'm on a different surface right now. Just didn't feel like doing it in my room. So yeah. Here is the thing I made. Well, here's the dragon pretty much. I made the whole belly. So it's like, it's not attached yet. As you can see, all the tiny bands are still there. And sorry for the background noise if you can hear it. It's just vacuuming. So, the eyes, not the hands. So, excited to finish this guy. I already started wiring him. I did a terrible job. Look at this. Let's see what it looks like from the top. Meh, whatever. I don't really care. Now I gotta finish wiring the whole thing. I'll be back when I'm 100% done wiring. Bye. Guys, I forgot to film it when there was so it's fully wired now. So I did all of the legs. Also, last time I said that I did really bad wiring. I redid a lot of it. So here's the wing. It bends a lot. There's two wires down the wings. Two wires down the wings. 2 wires down the back from the head to the tail, and then 1 wire down each set of legs. So right now I am attaching on the belly. I already did the other side, so now, and I'm stitching up this side now, so I also need to stuff it. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done with him. Yay, I finally finished this guy. He took quite a while, a few days, but there he is. The stomach attachment and stuffing him was so easy and so fast. I'm really proud of this guy. It's the biggest one that I have. And he's got the tip of the tail, longer spikes. Yeah. Stripe down his belly. He's a thick boy. He's fat. Very fat. But I like that. He's very fat. So you can squish his belly. Yeah. That's Firnen for you. Oh, and he's got this big ridge on his back. The spikes are a little ruffled right here, but it's okay. It's a big ridge. And then these are his wings. I'm gonna stand him up. My least favorite part was wiring. That was really annoying. I can't really stand him up with one hand. Okay, I'm a bad filmer, but whatever. Okay, I keep pointing the camera away. It's hard to do it while doing this guy. So, here he is. Yeah, it's hard with one hand. His long tail. So yeah, here's Firnen. It's hard. Sorry for not posting in many months. My life has been very busy. I have a lot of big things. And also for the sundew tutorial, the leaf wing, I'm really sorry, but the footage was lost. So that happened, which I'm really sad about. So all the rest of the parts of the video will not be coming, and I will try to get back on my channel and be really into it. But see you guys next video. Bye.